If I ask you, what is your strength and weakness, what would be your answer? My name is Vikram and today I'm gonna tell you about how introspecting yourself is really very important. What is introspect? Introspect is, guys, you know what your thoughts, you know what are your feelings, you know what are your strengths, you know what are your weakness, and how you come to know that. You come to know that when you introspect yourself. And introspect means that you need to deep dive inside yourself. You need to sit in a calm place and think upon all those strengths, upon all those thoughts, upon all those feelings which you have, and work upon it. Just for example, uh, if I tell my example that Vikram, please tell me your strengths, and if this question was asked me 5 years back, I would have told the other person that I don't know any strengths of me. It will be really helpful if you figure out this answer for me. And I would literally ask them that please let me know what are my strengths or what are my weaknesses, and I would copy that in my resume. Now, the thing is that what we tend to do is we tend to ask someone as our weakness, our strengths, and we rely upon that, and we think that yes, they are correct for us. But deep inside, we haven't never introspected that. We have never realized that is it the right strength or right weakness which I have. So guys, I want you to introspect yourself. You need to know what you are. You need to understand what are you up to and what are your feelings and what are your thoughts. And how do you do this? You do this by sitting in a calm place, and we have passed many years by not realizing that how and what we are when someone asks us about ourselves. We tend to we have that anxiety, or we have that doubt that we are not aware about ourselves, and we need to kill this. We need to be really very aware about what you are, and you need to have that introspect done for yourself, because until and unless you know yourself, what you will expect others that they can believe in you is really very important. So introspection is really important. You need to figure out that what your thoughts and how your feelings, and what are you up to, and what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths when someone asks you. And when you figure this out, your way of communication, your way of presence, and your way of approach in everything which comes to your life will be really very awesome. And introspect is it's like a key where you can get to know like what you are and what are you up to, and which will really help in your future. Because many a times most of us don't know what are their real strengths, what are their real thoughts, what are their real feelings, and which will not it won't help us for longer run. Because we need to know that what we are, what are the skills that will really help, what are the strengths which I have, what are the weaknesses which I have. And if you ask me what is your strength, Vikram, then now I can say that yeah, communication is my strength, and this happened after joining the course. And it's not that you need to join any course or you need to do something, but you need to introspect yourself, because this body is the one, and we are the one, we are living with this body from past many years, and we need to really know about ourselves. And once you know about yourself, you can write it in your resume, you can write your strengths, you can write your weaknesses, and when you are going for any of the interview, you can speak about that strengths and weaknesses with more confidently. So that is the point, guys, and I want everyone to introspect yourself, get to know what you are, sit in a place, sit in a calm place, realize your thoughts and feelings and how you react to each and everything, and repeat this. And if you know that there's something which is need to be cut down, you should cut it down. And yes, know your strengths, know your weaknesses, and make your strengths more strengthened, and make your weaknesses into strengths. Hope you learned this one, and if you like this video, please hit a like and please think about this topic. Thank you, guys.